Driving an automatic car seems simple, right? No clutch, no gears, just drive and go. But even automatics can suffer costly damage if you're not careful. Today, we'll cover the 7 mistakes you should never make in an automatic car to protect your transmission and save you thousands. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video from Budget Garage. Let's get started. Number 7. Shifting from drive to reverse without stopping. We've all been in a hurry, throwing the gear from drive to reverse before coming to a complete stop. It's quick, but it's also a transmission killer. When you shift like this, the transmission, not your brakes, absorbs the force to stop the car. And guess what? Transmissions weren't built for that. While brake pad replacements run about $200, repairing a damaged transmission, that'll cost you upwards of $2,500. Save yourself the headache and make sure your car is fully stopped before switching gears. Number 6. Putting your car in park while it's moving. If you drive a newer car, speed sensors might save you from this mistake. But for older cars, it's still a real danger. Shifting into park before coming to a full stop can break the locking pin or damage the output shaft. Remember, park is meant to hold your car in place, not stop it. If the locking pin breaks, you're looking at expensive repairs. Always stop completely before putting your car in park. Number 5. Shifting to neutral at red lights. Some drivers put their car in neutral at stoplights, thinking it saves gas or eases wear on the transmission. Here's the truth. It's safer and better for your car to stay in drive. In neutral, you have less control over the vehicle. If you need to move suddenly, like avoiding a distracted driver, it'll take longer to respond. Plus, you'll end up revving your engine when the light turns green, wasting fuel anyway. Stay in drive and keep your foot on the brake for maximum safety. Number 4. Coasting in neutral. Coasting downhill in neutral might sound like a fuel-saving hack, but modern cars are smarter than you think. In drive, many cars actually cut fuel supply when coasting downhill. Shifting to neutral also reduces your control and compromises engine cooling. At low RPMs, the oil pump slows down, which can lead to overheating. Keep your car in gear when going downhill to maintain control and protect your engine. Number 3. Launching your car from neutral. Revving your engine in neutral before shifting into drive might feel powerful, but it's a transmission nightmare. This habit wears out your transmission's bands and clutches, which use friction to transfer power. If these parts wear out, your transmission will start to slip, and repairs can cost a fortune. Want to keep your transmission healthy? Skip the launch and accelerate smoothly. Number 2. Driving with a low fuel tank. We've all been guilty of running on fumes now and then, but driving with a near-empty tank can damage your car over time. Fuel acts as a lubricant for your car's internal components, including the fuel pump. When your tank is low, those parts have to work harder, wearing out faster. To keep things running smoothly, try to keep your tank at least a quarter full. Number 1. Letting water get into the transmission. Water is the ultimate enemy of your transmission. Even a small amount can wreak havoc by damaging the friction linings and causing rust. When water mixes with transmission fluid, it creates a gummy mess that can't just be flushed out. The result? A full transmission overhaul. Prevent water damage by avoiding flooded areas, sealing your transmission properly, and addressing leaks immediately. Have you made any of these mistakes? There you have it, 7 things to avoid if you want to keep your automatic car in top shape. Have you been guilty of any of these mistakes? Or do you have other tips for protecting your transmission? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow drivers. Don't forget to subscribe to Budget Garage and hit the bell icon so you never miss our money-saving tips.